I think it's the red one. Is it the red one?
I don't know.
Right, so hang on, I've got one with like a circle. This one looks like an onion.
This one?
That bottom one swivels. No, the bottom.
Oh, it's got a bit of a wave on now. James, you've fallen out your tent! Oh, you've fallen in! He's fallen in!
Help!
That's an alarm clock, isn't it?
Oh, sorry, James.
The bottom of this river's made out of turds.
I know.
Yeah. Try not to drink more than a pint.